section, let's solve some problem in maximum power transfer theorem in DC network. The first problem is find the value of resistance R such that maximum power transfer take place from current source to this resistance, that is load resistance in the circuit. Also, we need to obtain the amount of power transfer. As we discussed in theory, in order to obtain the amount of power transfer under maximum power transfer condition, we need to convert this network into Thevenin's equivalent network. That is, any linear bilateral active network with output terminals A and B can be replaced by a voltage source in series with a resistance. That voltage source is known as Thevenin's equivalent voltage. Here it is denoted by Vs. And this resistance is known as Thevenin's equivalent resistance. Here we can denote that by Rs. So first of all, we can remove this resistance which is of interest from this circuit, and into this circuit we can find out VTH, that is Vs, and RTH. So in this circuit, first of all we can remove R and mark the open circuit terminals as A and B. Then first of all, let's see how to find out Thevenin's equivalent resistance, that is nothing but source resistance Rs. In order to find out Thevenin's equivalent resistance, we need to make all independent sources to 0. Here only current sources are available, that we need to make to 0 by open circuiting. So these sources won't be available in this equivalent circuit in order to find out Thevenin's equivalent resistance. So corresponding circuit is given here. Now we can find out the Thevenin's equivalent resistance through this open circuited terminal. Here RTH is equal to RAB is equal to 5 parallel with 2, which is in series with 4. That is 5 into 2 divided by 7 plus 4. Simplifying, we can obtain RTH, that is Rs, as 5.43 ohm. So next step is to find out Thevenin's equivalent voltage, that is the voltage across the open circuited terminals A and B, which is the source voltage Vs. So this is the corresponding network. Here, as these two resistances are in parallel, we can consider these two resistances by a single resistance having a value 5 into 2 divided by 7, that is 10 by 7. Now we need to move from B to A and add all voltage drops. As current flowing through this 4 ohm resistor is 2 ohm and it is moving upward, the potential in this 4 ohm resistor is 8 volt. That is 4 into 8 volt with this polarity. Similarly, current flowing through this circuit is downward. Voltage drop in 10 by 7 ohm resistor is with this polarity. Now we can move from B to A and add all voltage drops. Here 8 volts is the rise in potential, and here the potential is 10 by 7 into 5, that is again rise in potential. So 8 volt plus 10 by 7 into 5, that gives VAB, which is obtained as 15.14 volt. This is nothing but Vs. Now we got source voltage, source resistance. So Thevenin's equivalent circuit is this one. This network can be represented by a voltage source Vs with a value 15.14 volt in series with Thevenin's equivalent resistance 5.43 ohm, the same output terminals. Earlier we can have resistance RL. That resistance RL we can connect here. So we know under maximum power transfer condition, source resistance is equal to load resistance. So in order to transfer maximum power through this circuit, R should be Rs, that is 5.43 ohm. in second part of the question, it is also mentioned to obtain amount of power transfer. We know at maximum power transfer condition, Pmax is equal to Vs square divided by 4Rs. Substituting the value of Vs as 15.14 and Rs as 5.43 ohm, we can obtain maximum power transfer as 10.55 watt from source to load.